I'm doing this with my phone, so it's very hard to keep steady. I think he wants to help also. Oh, we're already done. I don't think Peanut is appreciated that. Yeah, it's typical males. They are too early. And Peanut is still horny as fuck. He doesn't learn. Guantanamo. Peanut's gonna get his ass. Gonna kick his ass again. She don't tolerate nobody near the nest. Except me. But she's the oldest bird that I have raised up from 4 weeks old, and I've fed her with a hand, like most of the other birds. Wolf is my new asset, and she's in the block, in the other block. And this is Pinky. Pinky, Pinky. Pinky, Pinky. Guantanamo doesn't learn. Just wait a minute, and you will see Peanut is coming out of the nest, attacking him again. Here she goes. And Guantanamo leaves again, with his tail between his legs. Yeah, I think Guantanamo is gonna get his ass kicked again by Peanut, because Peanut is not letting anybody in near the nest. As you can see, here it comes. But Peanut thinks, hey, it's not that time, man. I'm just laying one egg, and next day I'm gonna lay an egg also. She's not letting anybody near the nest, only me. But I think she trusts me more than Guantanamo. But Guantanamo is the male, or the partner of Peanut. And she already have laying one egg, but I don't know if this is normal, that she is attacking her partner. Well, I hope over maybe yeah, 4 weeks, maybe I get some babies, and I'm going to show you on. I'm gonna make a vlog about it. Each day I'm gonna film on the process of the evolution or of the babies from Peanut and Guantanamo.